dear children. Welcome to the mathematics class. Today we are going to do a new chapter, large numbers. As we know that there are two place value systems of numeration. One is Indian place value system and other is international place value system. Moreover, we have done what is place value system in our previous classes also. What is place value? Place value determines the position of a digit in a number. So, according to Indian place value system, let's see first of all Indian place value system. So, in Indian place value system, there are four periods. One is ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. These are periods, and they are divided in four groups. Now, in ones place, there will be three places: ones, tens, hundred. In thousands, there are again two places: thousands and 10,000. In lakhs, there are again two places: lakhs and 10 lakhs. And in crores, again divided into two places: crore and 10 crore. Ones, you can write it as 1, tens, then 100, then 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and finally 10 crore. Yes? Children, as you can see, there are four periods which are divided into places. They represents place value of a digit. In ones place, there are three places. In thousands, there are two places. In lakhs, there are again two places. And in crores, you can see there are two places. You can write it as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Now, as you can see, whenever you are moving from right to left side, 1 0 is increasing. Suppose here it is 1. 1 divided by 10, 1 multiplied by 10, it is 10. Then 10 multiplied by 10, it is 100. आप जैसे जैसे लेफ्ट साइड पे मूव कर रहे हो 10 times it is increasing. 110 increase हो रहा है. It means as we are moving from right to left, the digit is 10 times of the previous digit. Yes? Clear? Now let's see how you will place the number in this place value chart. Suppose the number is given to you 3, 9, 6, 4, 8, 5, 7, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this number is given to you. You have to put commas and write the number name of this. Yes? आपने इस पूरे नंबर में कॉमर्स पुट करने हैं और इसका नंबर नेम लिखना है. Now how you will put the commas? you will write, you can put the commas from back side. Ones, tens, 100. This is one group, so you will put comma here. Then 1000, 10,000. This is another group, so you will put comma here. Then lakhs, 10 lakhs. You will put the comma here. Now how you will, and this is crore. Now how you will write in form of number name? आप इसको number name में कैसे लिखोगे? You can write it as 3 crore 96 lakhs 48,000 573. Yes. Firstly, you will put the place values on the top of the number, put the commas, and then write the number name. Now moving to the next concept, that is international place value system. As we have done Indian place value system, there were 4 periods and which were grouped in different place value systems. But now in international place value system, there are ones, thousands, millions. These are the periods and their place values are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Yes, there are in Indian place value system there were only 2 places in thousands, but in international system there are 3 places in 1000 period. Then million, 10 million and 100 million. Yes, Indian place value system is used in India, as we used to say crores, lakhs in India. But international system, place value system is used in other international countries. That's why we used to write millions and billions in international system. Now let's see one example. One number is given to you. You have to put the commas, and then you have to write the number name of this number according to international system of numeration. Let's see. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. This is one group, this is other group, and this one is last group. Yes. So how you will write? 200 78 million 600 15,000 932. Yes. Now the number name is given to you. You have to write it in form of numeral in international system of numeration. Let's see. 6,785,502. How you will write? 6,785,000. 785,502. Clear?